What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2024 Hyundai Kona using Bluetooth. If you're using an iPhone, we'll also take a look at how to enable Apple CarPlay. And I am going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone, but other phones would be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go over to my center screen, and I'm going to click the home button right here. From the home screen, I'm going to click the phone menu. From here, I'm going to click Add.
Turn Bluetooth on in your mobile device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So as you heard the voiceover say, I'm going to go into my phone settings, click on Bluetooth, and then under the available devices, it's going to pop up as Kona. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen, and it does. So I'm going to click Pair, and this is asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And then after it's done downloading those contacts, it's going to give me the option to use Apple CarPlay. So click Use Apple CarPlay on the phone. And then on our center screen, it's basically asking if we want to use Apple CarPlay here. So click Yes. So then not only are we connected, but now our Apple CarPlay is connected as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.